Today we will be making dal. This is a special request from Roshan. And to make the dal, we wash the dal first and add some water, which I've done here. And we'll on the fire for this. We'll let the dal boil. While waiting, at the same time we'll add in the potatoes and carrots. So we'll leave this dal to boil until the carrots and the potatoes are cooked. So it will take at least 15 minutes for all this to boil. You can see the dal is all broken up and the potatoes are cooked. The carrots are also cooked. So this is the time we'll put our curry powder. Fish curry powder 1 tablespoon. We'll put chili powder, half tablespoon, and turmeric half tablespoon. We'll also add our salt at this. Salt will be 1 teaspoon, sorry. We'll stir all this and let it cook for another 10 minutes. So we'll let the curry powder really cook. If there's not enough water, you can always, we have to add a bit more water. Maybe 1 cup of water. And let all this curry powder boil properly. We already cooked the dal for 10 minutes after putting the curry powder, so that the curry powder will be properly cooked. So now we'll off the fire, and now we'll start cooking the onions that we're going to add to the dal. We'll cook the onions in the ghee, so we'll add in the ghee, 2 spoons of ghee. So ghee will make your dal tasty. So if you don't like ghee, you can also put oil, but the ghee will give you a nice flavor. Another 2.5. So we let the ghee heat up first before we put the onions. Around 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And we'll add onions. We'll cook the onion for a short while first before adding the garlic and ginger paste. 1 tablespoon of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of garlic. We'll stir this. We'll cook this until the onion become brown and the garlic and the ginger is well cooked. The onions are well cooked. We'll off the fire now and we'll add this mixture to the dal. So by adding this, you will add more flavor to the dal and the dal become more tastier. So we just stir this. That's it, your dal is made ready. So yellow dal with potato and carrots. Look beautiful, isn't it? And you can serve this with hot rice or chapati. Go delicious with that. So this is a very delicious dal. Do try it. And Roshan, do feedback to me once you have tried. And I hope we'll see you again in my next video.